Hello again, everyone. Your fellow classmate Gretchen Petrie speaking here, doing my last screen class for ATM 101. So for the analysis of meteorological data section of the investigation, I used this graph to find the maximum and minimum and then the temperature range and the mean temperature for January 25th, 29th, and 31st. Using this graph and the tables in the worksheet, I found that the climatology temperature for January 25th was negative 11. For the 29th, it was negative 33. And as said on the worksheet, January 31st was negative 8. Using this information, we can conclude that the daily temperatures for those 3 days were much less than what would have been expected based on the climate. Using this graph for the week of the 22nd to the 30th and the tables on the worksheet for days March 24th, the 26th, and the 28th, I found that the climatology temperature for the 24th was 15 degrees Fahrenheit, and for the 26th, it was 28 degrees Fahrenheit. This tells us that the weather for that time of the year was warmer than would have been expected based on the climate. Looking at this map for Sunday, January 25th, I would say that there's a strong low influencing eagle, which again, just to remind everyone, is the gold star right here. And then on Thursday the 29th, I believe that it changes to a strong high influencing eagle. I would say Sunday, January 25th had the strongest winds out of the 25th, 29th, and 31st of January. And going to January 29th, which was a Thursday, I think based off this photo you can conclude that there are scattered clouds with moderate humidity. So if we move on to looking at the March section of the investigation, based off the map here, I would say there's a strong high pressure system influencing the clear skies in Eagle. It looks like there was so much wind it just kind of pushed the clouds away from the Eagle area. Obviously there are some definite clouds covering Eagle on Thursday, March 26th, and I would say they were influencing Eagle was a strong low pressure system with some thinner clouding. Looking at these 3 days of weather maps, the 26th, the 28th, and then the 24th, I would say that the winds were westerly and then weakened and became northerly and then strengthened again by the end of the week. Looking at the 3 maps for back to the January 25th through February 1st set of information, I would say the initial weather started with a domination by lower pressure system, and then the clouds cleared up a bit and a higher pressure system moved in, lowering the temperatures and then increasing the clouds a little bit. Between Tuesday, March 24th and Friday, March 27th, I think that there was an air mass over Eagle that changed pressure and decreased, and then the humidity increased, and the daily temperature decreased as well. Although the pressure decreased and it caused the daily temperature to decrease as well, the area of Eagle still remains warmer than the expected from the climatology. Using our worksheet and looking at this graph and this other graph, I think that the persistent high pressure during the winter is what leads to conditions that are colder than expected in Eagle. So I think that's it. I hope everyone had a good time doing their last screencast and everything goes good with everyone's finals. Good luck.